These are brand new apartments. They're actually still putting furniture in this one. This is the model. So I have to put a couch in here. There is a washer and dryer in each unit in here. And this is really big. Like, this kitchen island is really massive. Look at all the space you have. This is so pretty. I love the color scheme. Very neutral, very modern. Love to see it. More storage. And then this is the view you have outside. It's really cute. Park across the street. Into the bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. And then the finishes in the bathroom. Shower, and then a huge walk-in closet. This one's good if you don't mind built-ins everywhere. So built-in closet space. There's no walk-in. This is technically the closet. And then here is the bathroom. And this one bedroom. This is their largest one. About 800 square feet. Little linen closet or coat closet right here. This is the bedroom space. So you get a really nice view. From here, we're on the 9th floor. You can still see the whole city of Dallas. And then let's check out the kitchen. Once again, they have the sliding door right here. And here's the washer and dryer. So, brand new kitchen. Fridge, and then here's the dining and living space where you get lots and lots of natural light. So this is really pretty. You just don't have a balcony, but you do feel like you're kind of outside because you know, you see all of this. So this is the M5 floor plan. Oh, this is cute. It's a closet. This is very Euro. And then here's the bathroom. Washer and dryer. Kitchen space is right here in this long hallway. Yeah, so the fridge, kitchen space. You walk through, super tall ceilings, a nice light, no balcony on this one. And then this is a bedroom, which is, I don't know if this is technically a studio or one bedroom, but it has a sliding door. And a built-in fan. So yeah, M5.